Hello lovely viewers, you are most welcome to our channel Poetry Online. In this video, we shall be presenting to you the literal devices and the poem An African Thunderstorm by David Rubadiri. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on all our new videos. Once again, let us assure you of a very interesting discussion. Get ready for this lesson. Simile. We come across the following lines in the poem. Like a plague of locusts, like a madman chasing nothing, like sinister dark wings, clothings wave like tattered flags. Alliteration, the repetition of initial consonant sounds. We come across the following in the poem. The wind whistles by, the repetition of the word sound in wind and whistle. The whirling wind, the repetition of the word sound in whirling and wind. Metaphor, the indirect comparison between two things without the use of as and like. The title of the poem, An African Thunderstorm, is metaphoric as it refers to the wind of changes that swept Africa to break free from colonialism. Allusion, reference to another work. In this poem, we come across the following lines. Like a plague of locusts. This comparison makes reference to the plague of locusts in the Bible. Thus, we have a biblical allusion in this line. Onomatopoeia. In the poem, we come across the following. Rumble, tremble, and crack. Enjammer, babies clinging to their bags, dart about in and out madly. The wind whistles by, whilst trees bend to let it pass. Imagery, words such as clouds come hurrying with the wind, tossing up things on its tail, the trees bend to let it pass, and clothing wave like tattered flags appeal to our five senses. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.